Okay, so kids, let's start with the today's session. चलो शुरू करते हैं. शुरू करें?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Now kids, सबसे पहले आज हम जो करने वाले हैं बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है. Okay, और let's see. By the way, can you tell me what do you mean by domain and range? What does domain means?
Values of x.
The values of x.
Value of x.
All the permissible values of x is known as domain. Next, what do you mean by range?
Values of
Values
y.
of y.
Values of y. All the permissible values of y is known as the range. We should know what's a domain and we should know what's the range. तो पहले हमें ये सब पता होना चाहिए. ठीक है? ठीक है ना? फिर शुरू करते हैं. तो किस अभी हम यहाँ पर डोमेन और रेंज फाइंड करने वाले हैं. ठीक है. चलो कैसे करेंगे? वेल बिफोर दैट मुझे कुछ पहले आपको बताना है जो शायद कुछ बच्चों को शायद पता होगा. किस आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू अबाउट कंप्लीटिंग द होल स्क्वायर. हाउ टू कंप्लीट द होल स्क्वायर. कंप्लीट द होल स्क्वायर कैसे करते हो मैं आपको सिखा देता हूं. सपोज आई से x square plus 4x suppose plus 3 or whatever it is. So how to do complete the whole square? For that I'll do one thing. Just see मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ. सबसे पहले kids, this is x square, so you just write x. This is a plus sign, so just write the plus sign. And what is x का coefficient?
4.
What is 4 का आधा? What is half of 4?
2.
2. So x plus half the coefficient of x. Half the coefficient of x. Then do the whole square. Minus. यहाँ पर हमेशा minus. Minus into minus. यहाँ पर 2 है. What is 2 का square?
4.
ये हो गया आपका completing the whole square of these two terms. Again, I am seeing what I have done. Okay, forget this 3. Chalo, for the time being, forget this 3. So what to do? X, half the coefficient of x. So plus half the coefficient. The half the coefficient means 2. The whole square minus 2. Now what is 2 का square? यहाँ पर 2 है तो 2 का square is 4. तो 4 आ जाएगा यहाँ पर. By the way, if you expand this guy, ना, you'll get this guy only. If you can just check it. अगर आप उसको expand करोगे ना, तो आपको यही term मिलने वाला है. Let's try some more. X square plus 6x. Can you do this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Plus. What is x का coefficient?
3. X plus 3.
6.
X coefficient is 6. I should write x plus
3x.
3. है ना? 3 ना? 3x नहीं, 3.
3. Yes.
X plus half the coefficient of x. The whole square minus. What is 3 square?
9.
9. Do you agree? Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So x square minus 8x. Again, it's x. Now, यहाँ पर minus है तो right minus sign ना? Minus sign. Now, अभी यहाँ पर 8 है ना? What is 8 का half?
4.
4. The whole square minus. What is 4 का square?
16.
I'll try some more. X square minus 3x. X. Keep the same sign minus. What is 3 का आधा?
1.
3 by 2. Is it okay?
By 2.
The whole
Square.
minus. What is 3 by 2 का square?
9 by 4.
9 by 4. Cool. Some more. X square plus x. What I should write?
X plus 1.
1 upon half the whole square.
The whole square minus 1 by 2 का square.
1 upon
By 4.
Hey, is it okay, kids? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ठीक है, अच्छी बात. कुछ और मैं बता रहा हूँ, ये भी देख लो. Suppose you have, 2x square plus 3x. अगर आपको इसको complete the whole square करना है तो पहले आपको एक काम करना पड़ेगा.
Divide by 2.
Divide by 2.
Rather, you should take 2 common. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, हमेशा whenever you do complete the whole square, please make sure your coefficient of x square is always 1. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, x plus half the coefficient of x. What is 3 by 2 का आधा?
3 by 4.
By 4.
3 by 4. The whole square minus. What is 3 by 4 का square?
9
9
by
by
9 by
9 by 16. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you've understood this, चलो शुरू करते हैं. अब पढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन क्या लिखा है. किड्स, डोमेन का मतलब होता है द वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स. द वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स. अब द क्वेश्चन इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू 7x square plus 4x minus 1. सबसे पहले किड्स, ये जो दिख रहा है इक्वेशन, ये जो एक्सप्रेशन दिख रहा है, इज इट क्वाड्रेटिक?
Yes, sir.
पक्का?
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो बिफोर आई स्टार्ट द डोमेन एंड रेंज, सो सी डोमेन रेंज वाले सम एग्जाम में काफी आते रहते हैं. दीज ऑल डोमेन रेंज प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. टोटल आई थिंक टिल जी इज देयर. तो मैं पहले आपको इसका फंडा बताता हूं, फिर हम सॉल्व करेंगे. चलो, फंडा क्या है कि सबसे पहली बात, whenever you do domain and range, kids, you take care of 3 things. पहला, kids, root of a number is never negative. It is never negative. It is never negative. Why I have to say this? Because kids, अगर मैंने root of 4 बोला ना, कुछ बच्चे गड़बड़ करते हैं, वो इसको प्लस माइनस 2 बोलते हैं, जो कि एकदम गलत है. I won't tell you all are wrong. I won't say that. Why I would not say you all are not wrong? Because आप लोगों ने टेक्स्ट बुक्स में, अपने स्कूल के बुक्स में ये लिखा है कि रूट ऑफ 4 इज प्लस माइनस 2, रूट ऑफ 9 इज प्लस माइनस 3, रूट ऑफ 16 इज प्लस माइनस 4. ये एक्चुअली गलत है किड्स. इट्स एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. एक्चुअली रूट ऑफ 4 इज जस्ट 2. एक्चुअली किस सुनो, जब हम स्क्वायर रूट बोलते हैं ना किड्स, एक्चुअली स्पीकिंग स्क्वायर रूट के 2 वैल्यूज होते हैं. बट ये जो सिंबल, डू यू सी दिस सिंबल? विच सिंबल? This symbol. This symbol means it should have principal root. So there are 2 types of root. One is a principal root and other is a normal root. Principal root is a root which gives you non-negative value. What do you mean by non-negative value?
Positive.
No, non-negative does not mean positive. What does non-negative mean? चलो बताओ.
Absolute.
Absolute.
Yeah, non-negative means it should be either 0 or positive. Do you agree?
Yes.
आप इसका एब्सोल्यूट भी बोल सकते हो, हाँ क्या नहीं? हाँ क्या नहीं? So whenever you say square root of 4 here, never say minus 2. It is always plus 2. Only plus 2, because root is always non-negative. It can never and ever be negative, which means it is always greater than or equal to 0. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
कभी नेगेटिव नहीं होने वाला. या तो 0 होगा या तो पॉजिटिव होगा. रूट ऑफ 0 0 होता है, आंखें नहीं.
Yes, sir.
बट रूट ऑफ 9 को प्लस माइनस 3 मत बोलना, सिर्फ प्लस 3 ही बोलना. इज इट ओके?
Yes, sir.
ये पहले आपको क्लियर होना चाहिए. ओके? अरे यार. So the first note you have to take care while solving problems on domain and ranges, root is always non-negative, which means greater than or equal to 0. Second thing, kids, as far as this chapter is concerned, in functions, we are only dealing with real numbers. We are dealing with real numbers. It means inside the root, the term should always be non-negative. Inside the root, it should be non-negative. That is greater than or equal to 0. A why term inside the root should be non-negative? Because if it is negative, then what will happen?
It will become an imaginary number.
It will become imaginary number. Do you agree?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Mahir, you may not be knowing what is this. But Mahir, one chapter is there, complex numbers. Over there, you'll have to do it. Is it okay, Mahir?
Yeah.
Okay. Imagine number, you'll study there. So we are dealing with only pure real numbers. That's why inside the root should never be negative. That's written non-negative. So two things. First, root is always non-negative. Root कभी negative value देने वाला नहीं है. अरे, what am I doing? Root is always non-negative. Second, inside the root should also be non-negative. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
one more third thing. One more thing. Denominator, and this is numerator. Your denominator, kids, your denominator should never and ever be zero.
0.
Because अगर denominator zero हो जाए तो function not defined हो जाएगा. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
तो denominator कभी zero नहीं होना चाहिए. So can I start my work now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके तो चलो सबसे पहले इसकी बात करते हैं कि उन्होंने बोला यहां पर x का वैल्यू क्या हो सकता है. आप मुझे बताओ. चलो आप लोग इस क्वेश्चन को देखो. आप बताओ what are the permissible values of x? What are the permissible values of x in this expression? What values of x are allowed and what is not allowed?
Whole numbers.
Whole number. Why not 1.2, 1.3?
Or
Than
And
equal
num-
to
every
zero
number
or
is
real
zero.
number.
zero.
Yeah, tell me what?
And every
Positive
indicator
real
is
number
zero.
than zero.
What is allowed? Tell me properly. What is allowed?
Rational numbers.
Only rational. Why not irrational? Why not root 2, root 3, root 4?
Real numbers that are greater than equal to zero.
Why real number ठीक है लेकिन greater than zero क्यों? Why not negative value?
Because root cannot be negative.
Yeah.
Where is root? There is no root here.
So
So
x,
then all real numbers.
Where is the root here? There is no root, Baba. Is there a root here?
No.
I can put x minus 1. If I put x as minus,
All
this,
real numbers.
this is like y, right?
Then
This is
all-
like y. I can put x minus 1. I can put x as minus 2. Who cares? हाँ कि नहीं? So finally tell me what is the domain?
All real numbers.
Here the domain is all real numbers. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
yes.
और मैं आपको और एक रीजन बताता हूँ why it should be real number. Kids, first of all, I think you all should know. Oh, I will need a space, lot of space. ठीक है. You should know. Okay, एक मिनट. I think I just forgot to leave the space. Yeah. You should know. Is it a quadratic expression, kids?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And I think आप सबको शायद पता होना चाहिए. A quadratic is actually a parabola. A quadratic is a parabola. Have you heard about parabola ever in your life?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
A
sir.
quadratic is a parabola, kids. So you can take x ka any value, any real values. You get a corresponding y ka value. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So by the way, अरे ये तो पैराबोला है. क्वाड्रेटिक तो पैराबोला होता है. तो आप x का कोई भी वैल्यू लो, आपको करस्पॉन्डिंग y का वैल्यू मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. कुछ तो वैल्यू मिलेगा ही मिलेगा आपको. इसके लिए किड्स आपका यहाँ पर जो डोमेन है ना, आपका जो डोमेन है वो रियल नंबर्स है, क्योंकि x कुछ भी हो सकता है. डू यू एग्री?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो ये आपका डोमेन हो गया, एक लाइन में ही हो गया. अब रेंज के बारे में बात करना है. रेंज में तो मेहनत है. देखो रेंज का मतलब क्या होता है ना, आपको समझना पड़ेगा रेंज का मतलब क्या होता है. सपोज आई ड्रॉ y एक्सिस. ओके, दिस इज y एक्सिस, सॉरी दिस इज ओरिजिन. तो पता है रेंज क्या होगा? ये रेंज मतलब y का वैल्यू होता है ना. व्हाट डू यू मीन रेंज किड्स? रेंज मींस द वैल्यूज ऑफ
Y.
y. तो जो y का मिनिमम वैल्यू यहां पर है, डू यू सी दिस?
Yes, sir.
एंड मैक्स वैल्यू विल बी पॉजिटिव इंफिनिटी. डू यू एग्री? टिल इंफिनिटी.
Yes.
तो आपको ये ढूंढना पड़ेगा ये मिनिमम कहां से शुरू हो रहा है. तो दिस वैल्यू टू फाइंड, फॉर दैट देयर इज अ टेक्निक. ऑब्जर्व नाउ. टू फाइंड रेंज, सबसे पहले let us call the expression as y. Always have a habit of calling the expression as y. Okay. Now kids, it's not easy to actually get y ka value directly, because you just cannot randomly put any values of x and get the range. आपको कुछ हटके सोचना पड़ेगा. तो देखो अभी हम क्या करने वाले हैं. मैं यहां पर कंप्लीटिंग द होल स्क्वायर करने का विचार कर रहा हूं. Why? You understand. X square plus 4 by 7x. This is minus 1. Is it okay? I've taken 7 common. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now let's complete the whole square. आप सोचेंगे सर आप हम ये क्यों कर रहे हैं? आपको समझेगा, देखो अभी. X plus what is 4 by 7 का half?
4 by
14.
4 by 7 का half?
4 by 4.
अरे बोलो ना, जोर से बोलो. What is 4 by 7 का half?
14
4 by 14.
4 by 14 और can I say 2 by
2 by
7?
7.
by 7.
The whole square. चलेगा क्या? Half of it.
Yes, sir.
Minus 4 by 49. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now take 7 inside. So I get here 7 times of x plus 2 by 7 the whole square minus. The 7 will go inside and this will get cancelled. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
So 7 sevens are, so I get minus 4 by 7 minus 1. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So my y will become 7 times of x plus 2 by 7 the whole square minus, this become minus 11 by 7. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
अब ना कोई मुझे बता सकता है, चलो अब मैं नहीं बता रहा हूं, पहले कोई मुझे बता सकता है y का मिनिमम वैल्यू क्या होगा? अगर कोई बच्चा है जो मुझे बता सकता है y
So
का
minus
minimum,
11 by 7 is the vortex. So
अरे
that's all.
स्मार्ट, वेरी गुड. What is the minimum value? You know किस y का minimum value? Minus 11 by 7. You know why, kids? You know why? I'll tell you.
Y equals to M.
First of all, tell me, look at this expression. Is it square? Is the entire thing square?
Yes.
What is square का minimum value?
0.
Confidently बोलो, confidently.
0.
0.
Square का minimum value 0 होता है. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
In fact, this can also become 0. When can this become 0? When x is how much? Minus 2 by 7. हाँ क्या नहीं? So the square का minimum value is 0. So 0 minus 11 by 7. What is the बच्चा खुचा value then?
Minus 11 by 7.
हाँ, तो y का कम से कम वैल्यू minus 11 by 7 ही हो सकता है. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So how to go ahead? Observe. I'll say how to start. See, x plus 2 by 7 the whole square can never be negative. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
It is always greater than or equal to 0. Accepted?
Yes, sir.
स्क्वायर कभी नेगेटिव नहीं होता है. किड्स देखो, किसी बच्चों का अगर डाउट है ना, शर्माना मत, पूछ लो मुझे. स्क्वायर कभी नेगेटिव नहीं होता, तो स्क्वायर का मिनिमम वैल्यू 0 ही होगा. और ये 0 कब होगा? व्हेन x is minus 2 by 7. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here it is 7, so I'll multiply both sides by 7. But on the right hand side it is 0, so 0 into 7 will be 0. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now I'll subtract both sides by 11 by 7. I'll subtract by 11 by 7. So even here I'll get 0 minus 11 by 7. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And tell me kids, who is this chap? Who is this chap? Is it y?
Y.
Yes, sir.
Greater than or equal to how much?
Minus.
11.
Minus
Right,
11 by 7. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
So finally, your range should be what? Range should be, you can write like this. Minus 11 by 7 is included and goes till what? Goes till infinity. और यहाँ पर आएगा open interval. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Infinity में कभी close नहीं आता. It is always open. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Something wrong. देखो infinity तो आपको ना बिना diagram भी समझ जाएगा. See, if we put x as 1 crore, 1 crore plus 2 by 7 will be something crore का square. Will be a very big number. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
A
sir.
very big number minus 11 by 7, still it is very big number. If you write x as 3 trillion, 4 trillion, 5 trillion, the y ka value will keep on increasing. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
That's why y is till infinity. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So whenever you get a sum which is based on quadratic like this, and domain to R ही होगा, range के लिए you'll have to do completing the whole square. And then do some वार्तालाप here and then get the answer. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Let's go ahead. Kids, अब मजा आएगा. देखते हैं कितने बच्चे मेरी मदद करेंगे यहाँ पर. Okay. Look at this guy. And somebody needs to tell me what can be the domain and what should be the domain.
So
All
X can't be
numbers
true and
except
can be
two.
any real.
Or smart Josefa, very nice. Hey kids, what do you think? What X can be, what X cannot be?
Two.
Can't be 2.
It cannot be 2. Why X cannot be 2?
Just 2 minus
Because
5.
in its
Denominator will become
Yeah.
0.
If X is 2, then denominator will become 0. Do you agree?
Yes.
Wow, very nice. So can I say domain will be all real numbers except 2? Accepted.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Cool. So it can be any real numbers except 2. 2 नहीं हो सकता लेकिन और कुछ भी हो सकता है. अब बारी है रेंज की और रेंज के लिए हमको थोड़ा काम करना पड़ेगा. सुनना ध्यान से. पहले लेट अस कॉल दिस एज y, तो उसको आप हमेशा y बोलने का. x plus 4, x minus 2. So kids, this guy is similar to, this is like similar to y as a function of x. It's like y as a function of x. तो करना क्या है, आपको रेंज फाइंड करना है. रेंज का मतलब y का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. अब देखो प्रीवियस समय जब मैं y का वैल्यू फाइंड कर रहा था, हमने कंप्लीटिंग द होल स्क्वायर किया था. यहाँ it does not make sense to do completing the whole square. Then what to do? It has some standard steps. This is y in terms of x. What you should do is convert y in terms of x as x in terms of y. मैंने बताया convert y as a function of x as x as a function of y. What does it mean? I'll tell you. Shift this guy here. It's y into x minus 2 equal to x plus 4. Take your y inside, so I get here xy minus 2y equal to x plus 4. Shift the terms. So I'll shift this guy here. So what I get? I'll get xy minus x is a 2y plus 4. Take x ko common. I get y minus 1 equal to 2y plus 4. I get x as 2y plus 4 upon y minus 1. Did you understand what I've done, kids?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I have converted y as a function of x as a function of y. अब आप पूछोगे सर ऐसा क्यों किया? अरे बाबा, the way you did for domain now, do for this y also. The way you did for x now for domain, do the same thing for y. Now tell me what y cannot be.
1.
1.
Smart. Y cannot be 1. And what else y can be? Y can be anything.
Yes.
Y can be anything except what?
1.
Finish picture. Khatam, kids. So the range is. So the range is what? Range is your y can be any real number except
1.
1. Does that make sense? So in short, what is the method? The method is, now this is a common method for all the remaining problems. If you have a linear upon linear, or something like this, or something like this, or something like this, or something like this, convert y as a function of x as a function of y, and then have a talk. But if you have a quadratic like this, then थोड़ा adjustment करना पड़ता है. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
चलो मैं आपको बहुत से सम बताने वाला तो आपको समझेगा. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. एक मिनट. या चलो सबसे पहले एक मिनट. या ओके किड्स, सबसे पहले मैं ना एक काम कर देता हूं. डोंट थिंक ऊपर रूट है और नीचे रूट नहीं है. किड्स, इफ आई आस्क यू रूट x अपॉन x, व्हाट इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस?
1 by root x.
1 by root.
पक्का ना? अरे पक्का?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Because your x can be written as root x into root x. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, cool. So now don't you think I can refresh this question as what? Tell me.
1 upon 5.
X.
1
1
root.
upon under root of x plus 5. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Pakka na?
Yes, sir.
Good. But before that, few more things to discuss. Pehla, do you agree x cannot be minus 5?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
पक्का y
Remainder will become 0.
तो x तो -5 नहीं हो सकता, और दूसरा रीजन ये भी है, you are cancelling root of x plus 5 here. See, you have cancelled, what you have done basically, you have cancelled this term, common term. And when you cancel a common term, kids, in mathematics, if you cancel a term, you can cancel a term only when you know it is non-zero. Zero नहीं होना चाहिए. तो अगर ये zero कब नहीं होगा, when x क्या नहीं होना चाहिए?
Negative.
-5 नहीं होना चाहिए. Do you understand? देखो मैथमेटिक्स में क्या होता है, अगर सपोज 65/65 into 7 है, कैन आई कैंसिल दिस? ऑफ कोर्स आई कैन कैंसिल. व्हाई आई कैन कैंसिल? बिकॉज 65 इज नॉट अ जीरो. डू यू एग्री?
Yes.
तो मैथमेटिक्स में यही इंपॉर्टेंट है जो आपको पता होना चाहिए, कि आप कैंसिल तभी ना कर सकते हो जब आपको पता हो कि वो जीरो नहीं है. तो इसलिए मैंने कैंसिल किया, तो इसका मतलब क्या, x5 नहीं हो, x -5 नहीं होना चाहिए. डू यू एग्री किड्स?
Yes, sir.
ओके, अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. अब चलो बात करते हैं, कुछ और भी बात करना पड़ेगा किड्स, कुछ और भी बात करना पड़ेगा. दूसरी चीज, आपको ऐसे नहीं लगता, आपको ऐसे नहीं लगता, रूट के अंदर जो बंदा होता है, रूट के अंदर जो बंदा होता है वो कभी नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकता.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
डू यू एग्री?
Yes, sir.
Your x plus 5 cannot be negative. It should be what? Greater than. Equal to मत लिखना, equal to नहीं. Why not equal to?
Because under root
But
of
then
Hey, denominator में है. It's in the denominator. Do you see this?
yes.
Yes.
sir.
And since it's in the denominator, you cannot say equal to. It has to be just greater than 0. Is it okay?
Yes.
So I've got one more condition from here. X has to be great. और ऊपर से -5 तो होने वाला है ही नहीं, है ना?
Yes.
So I've got one condition at least. आपके दिमाग में ये बात होनी चाहिए हमेशा कि x, एक मिनट, 1 मिनट किड्स, आई थिंक. Okay, can I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm sorry. Actually, I keep getting calls from my classes. My parents keep coming, so sometimes it becomes urgent to pick up the call. Otherwise, I don't personally like picking up the phone call. While class at least. Okay, can I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay, तो kids, at least इतना पता चल गया, x greater than -5 है. तो कहना से directly what is the domain now? Can you tell me what is the domain straight away?
All
Bro,
real
answer.
greater than 5.
Your x should be, your domain should be what? -5 to what? -5 to what? What?
Infinite.
Very nice. It is -5 to infinity. Is it okay, kids?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. Now let's talk about range. अब इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, जैसे h, देखिए यहाँ पर h of x है ना, they can write f of x, they can write h of x, they can write g of x, कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. It's a function of x. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, now तरीका क्या है, पहले हम इसको y बोलते हैं. Isn't that true?
Yes.
अब आगे क्या, आगे ये आपका है y in terms of x. This is y in terms of x. और आपको what you have to do, you have to make this as x in terms of y. Is it okay?
Yes.
But before you go ahead, one small thing I want to ask. सच्ची बोलना, ठीक है, ठीक से बोलना. क्या y कभी नेगेटिव हो सकता है? क्या y कभी नेगेटिव हो सकता है? Look at this.
No.
No.
क्या y कभी नेगेटिव हो सकता है?
No,
No.
Why no?
So
Because the root is always.
because the root can never be negative.
Very nice, very nice. Why kids? Why कभी negative नहीं होगा? Why negative क्यों नहीं हो सकता? अब यहाँ पर देख लेना आप लोग. Look at this guy. ये रूट है. मैंने आपको सबसे पहला स्टेटमेंट लिखवाया था. Just see here. क्या बोला? कहाँ गया? पॉइंट नंबर क्या बताया था मैंने यहाँ पर? Root is always non-negative. Do you agree?
yes.
Yes.
Root is always non-negative. Isn't that true?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
And because of this reason, at the back of your mind, दिमाग में बाजू में लिखो, लिख के रखो, दिमाग में लिखो कि y will never be negative. Y will be greater than 0. Isn't that true?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Y 0 नहीं हो सकता. Do you agree?
Yes.
क्योंकि it is 1 upon something, right?
Yes.
And 1 upon something can never be 0. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Now don't tell me, Arey sir, what if suppose this becomes infinity? Then it becomes 0, na? Arey see, infinity is not a real number. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You don't put infinity here, okay? Okay, so let me go ahead. So पहली बात यहाँ पर रूट है तो रूट कभी नेगेटिव नहीं होगा तो ज्यादातर बच्चे क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पर ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 0 लेकिन यहाँ पर इक्वल टू नहीं लिख सकते because it is 1 upon something. So y cannot be 0. Is it convincing?
Yes, sir.
Now let's go ahead. Let's do the work. This is y in terms of x and I'm going to do x in terms of y. So let's do squaring both sides pehle. So that the root disappears. Shift y here and x here and y here. तो यहाँ पर आएगा x plus 5 equal to 1 upon y square. Then what happens? I'll get x as 1 upon y square minus 5. Is it okay, kids?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I get here x is equal to 1 minus 5y square upon y square. Is it okay, kids?
Yes, sir.
Now, is it like x is a function of y?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And since it is, now let's have a talk here. The way we had a talk there. Let's have a talk. Now tell me, now just focus on this for the time being. Just focus on this. What y cannot be?
0.
0.
Yes, here y cannot be 0. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Apparently a person will write the answer as y belongs to all real numbers except 0. But he will be absolutely wrong. Why so? Apparently a person will write y cannot.
So because we've written y is greater than 0.
हाँ देखो अभी ज्यादातर बच्चे क्या करेंगे अरे यहाँ पर y तो अरे यहाँ पर तो y 0 नहीं हो सकता तो y क्या हो सकता है कुछ भी हो सकता है except 0. But we have forgotten something. What? We have forgotten this condition, kids. ये बाजू में मैंने बोला ना back of the mind आपके दिमाग में ये होना चाहिए. तो actually आंसर बताता हूँ काफी सारे बुक्स में कभी क्या गलत करते हो लोग. तो यहाँ पर I'll write now but your y should always be greater than 0. हाँ के नहीं?
Yes.
So finally tell me what is the answer?
Y is
All
greater than
real numbers greater than 0.
Or can I say it is 0 to infinity?
0 to
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Or some people can write like this. You know what? R plus. What does R plus means?
Positive.
R
real.
positive real number.
real numbers. Do you agree?
Yes.
So let's understand this problem once again so that it is clear. I got this problem and I knew they both are almost same. So I can just cancel one root. But I need to remember a few things. First, denominator cannot be 0. So x cannot be minus 5. At the same time, inside the root, that term cannot be negative. So x plus 5 has to be greater than 0. So I got this. And automatically I have got my domain that x can be anything, but it should be more than minus 5. So I got the domain. Then I speak about the range. As for the range is concerned is y in terms of x, my job is x in terms of y. But before that, this is in root. And since it is in root, y cannot be negative. So y will be apparently greater than or equal to 0. But it cannot be 0 because it is 1 upon something. It cannot be 0. And then I did y square. I went ahead. I got x in terms of y. And then y cannot be 0 here. So I got this. but also y is always greater than 0, and that's why answer is 0 to infinity. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Understood ना everyone?
Yes, sir.
किस आपने अब देखा नहीं यहाँ पर काफी रीजनिंग यूज करना पड़ता है, आपको समझ रहा है रीजनिंग पावर?
Yes.
पता है क्यों? किस ये रीजनिंग पावर बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है आप लोग के लिए. मैं आपको बताता हूं, जो बच्चे जो जेई वाले होते हैं ना, उनको फिजिक्स कंपैरेटिवली इजी लगता है. इनफैक्ट जो जेई वाले बच्चे जब नीट का फिजिक्स देखते हैं ना, उनको बहुत इजी लगता है. उसके पीछे एक रीजन है. क्योंकि कैसा होता है किड्स, वो लोग बहुत रीजनिंग करते रहते हैं हमेशा. क्यों करते हैं रीजनिंग? क्योंकि मैथ्स में सब रीजनिंग ही है हमेशा. Why this? Why not this? Why this? Why not this? Why this? Because if you learn the art of why this and why not this, then you can crack any paper in the world. Problem is we don't ask question to ourselves. ऐसा क्यों? ऐसा क्यों नहीं? ऐसा क्यों नहीं? ऐसा क्यों नहीं? अगर आप वो सीख जाओगे ना, तो आपको बहुत इजी लगेगा कोई भी एमसीक्यू वाला पेपर्स. Is it okay? Can I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, chalo. Let's go ahead. Learn the art of reasoning. Okay. चलो चलो किड्स, अब यहां पर हम बात करते हैं डोमेन की. I want you all to give me some reason and tell me what is domain. Tell me domain. खुद का दिमाग लगा. चलो, have a reasoning power. Some reasoning. सोचो, x क्या हो सकता है? x क्या हो सकता है? Think. It's a cube root, huh? It's a cube root of x plus 1.
R.
Confident, Rishi?
Yes, sir.
Pakka na?
Yes, sir.
So Rishi Bals has given the answer capital R. Is he correct? Is he correct?
So I think R except -1.
Nine. Except
R except -1. Why not -1?
-1, then it will become 0.
So it's a numerator ना, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? सिद्धांत राजपुरोहित, अगर x -1 होगा तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है? आपको y 0 मिलेगा ना, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? ये अपॉन समथिंग थोड़ी है यहाँ पर, ऐसा थोड़ी है. अगर ऐसा प्रॉब्लम होता ना, तो मैं x को -1 नहीं ले सकता. डू यू एग्री?
Yes.
बट ये तो न्यूमरेटर में है. डू यू एग्री?
So can the cube root be negative? Answer.
Obviously na, obviously Daksh, obviously. What is cube root of -8? What's the cube root of -8?
-2.
-2.
हाँ, तो क्यूब रूट के तो नेगेटिव चलेगा ना. तो क्यूब रूट के अंदर आप कोई भी नेगेटिव वैल्यू ले सकते हो. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? आपको हमेशा एक रियल नंबर ही मिलेगा. डू यू एग्री?
Yes, sir.
तो क्यूब रूट माइनस है, तो स्क्वायर रूट में प्रॉब्लम होता है, क्यूब रूट में प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, sir.
So that is the reason, kids. That's why x can be anything. Do you all agree?
Yes.
Now let's talk about range. Again, the method doesn't change. Let y equal to cube root of x plus 1. Cubing both sides. So y cube is equal to x plus 1. तो यहां से आपको x क्या मिलेगा? Y cube minus 1. Can you all tell me what y can be?
A real number?
Anything, no? Y can be anything. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Y कुछ भी हो सकता है रे बाबा. So here, what is the range?
R.
Very nice. It is R. Is it convincing, kids?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
चलो, अच्छी बात है. Very, very nice. Can I go ahead? Can I go ahead?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सबको वेवी कर्व याद है ना? वेवी कर्व याद है क्या? वेवी कर्व, zigzag.
Yes, sir.
ओके, देखते हैं. चलो शुरुआत करते हैं ना. ये बहुत ही मस्त प्रॉब्लम है, थोड़ा लेंदी भी है. तो करते रुको. ओके, ठीक है. या तो पहले ना मैं ये वाला कर देता हूं, फिर बाद में वो सब करूंगा. ठीक है, शुरू करते हैं. चलो, लुक एट द प्रॉब्लम. Look at the problem and tell me what is the domain, if you can think of. If you all can think of. What's the domain? Tell me. x का वैल्यू क्या हो सकता है?
Anything
But real number
Except 7.
Anything?
Except
seven.
seven.
Everything except 7. Are you sure?
All numbers.
No negative.
Except negative.
So what is the answer as per you people? Tell me. Tell me.
Real numbers except
Real
7.
numbers greater than or equal to 3.
Kya, tell me what it is? Yeah, tell me.
Real
Real
numbers
number
greater
except
than or
7.
equal to 3.
Real number except 7. So can I take x as 8? I can't take x as 8. Why I can't take x as 8?
It will become negative.
रूट के अंदर नेगेटिव हो जाएगा ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ के नहीं? Still anybody else who can give me the answer?
Anything lesser than seven.
Between 3 and 8.
3 and 7.
3
Between 3 and 7. 3 and 7.
3 and 7.
Can 3 be included?
No, neither of them can be included.
Why 3 cannot be included,
She
Rishi?
can be included.
Numerator will be 0.
अरे numerator 0 में क्या problem है?
It can be
हाँ, what cannot be included?
Greater
Seven.
7. 7 cannot be included. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
sir.
This is your answer. 3 to 7. Okay, now I'll tell you. Chalo, I'll explain you everything properly. There's a method actually. You don't really have to break your head so much. There is a method I'll tell you. Okay kids, मैंने आपको एक चीज सिखाई थी. आई थिंक कहाँ सिखाया था? रिलेशन के कहाँ पर? वेवी कर्व किसमें सिखाया था? वेवी कर्व? आई डोंट रिमेम्बर. ओके, मैंने आपको एक चीज सिखाई थी वेवी कर्व, वो मुझे काम आने वाला है. देखो कैसे. सबसे पहले रूट के अंदर जो बंदा होता है क्या वो नेगेटिव हो सकता है?
No.
So it should always be greater than or
Equal to
equal to 0. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It can be 0, right? When x is 3, it can be 0. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Inside the root, huh? Inside the root. Do you agree? Arey, do you agree? Yashvi, do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Where is Yashvi? Yashvi,
Yes, sir.
is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Inside the root can never and ever be negative. Is it acceptable?
Yes, sir.
So I can write x minus 3 upon 7 minus x should be greater than or equal to 0. Now I'm going to do Wavy curve. In the Wavy curve method, always give x ka coefficient as positive. So I'll do one thing. I'll take minus out. Now shift that minus on the right hand side. It's an inequality. If you multiply both sides by minus sign, what will happen to the inequality?
The sign will change.
The sign will change. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let's use the Wavy curve. सिखाया था कैसे करते हैं?
Equate it with 0, like x
Equate
minus
this guy
3
to
is equal
0.
0.
You'll get 3, हाँ के नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Equate this to 0. What do you get here?
7.
7.
So write according to the number line. Is it okay?
Yes.
And again zigzag, 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 zigzag. ऊपर से नीचे, नीचे से ऊपर. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, is this negative or positive?
Negative.
Negative. Above x-axis is positive and below x-axis is negative. Huh? Negative means below x-axis. So this is the part. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this should be your answer. So your answer is what? Finally. Answer is 3 to 7. But chill now. Chill. Can 3 be included?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, 3 can come because 3 minus 3 will be 0 and 0 is equal sign here is coming. So 3 is included. Can 7 be included?
No.
No.
Why 7 cannot be included?
Denominator will be
It's in the denominator will become 0. So it should not be included. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So this is how we do the Wavy curve for domain. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Now say somebody would be wondering, अरे सर यहाँ Wavy curve किया, कहीं और क्यों नहीं किया? अरे जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी यार, inequality था ही नहीं कहीं पर भी. समझ रहे हैं?
Yes.
जरूरत होगी तब ना करूंगा ना, खामखा थोड़ी करूंगा, inequality नहीं है तो जब inequality होता है ऐसा inequality, तो क्योंकि मैंने क्या सिखाया था, you cannot transfer the denominator right on the right hand side. Why? Because we have no idea whether this guy is positive or negative. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That's why blindly we should not shift them. Rather use the wavy curve. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, let me go ahead with the range then. Even range is a task. But the method doesn't change. But the method doesn't change. But the method doesn't change. Let me call it as y is equal to under root x minus 3 upon 7 minus x. This is like y is a function of x and my job is x as a function of y. So before I go ahead, something to be there in your brain when you go ahead. What? Y cannot be negative. Do you agree?
Yes.
Y cannot be negative.
Because the value of
Because
the
under
root
root.
can never be
It's
negative.
an under root. Do you see under root?
Yes, sir.
Since it is under root, root कभी negative नहीं हो सकता. Is it acceptable?
Yes, sir.
तो y negative नहीं होने वाला. इतना तो clear है. अब काम चालू करते हैं. This is y in terms of x. Let's do x in terms of y. So I'll do squaring both sides. I get x minus 3 upon 7 minus x. Switch the term on the left hand side. I'll go here. Take y square inside. I reach here. Now let's do the shifting. And 3 should come here. And xy square should go on the right hand side. Then from here I'll take x go common. So I get y square plus 1 equal to 7y square plus 3. So I get x as 7y square plus 3 upon y square plus 1. Is it okay, kids?
Yes, sir.
Pakka? Now look at this guy and tell me what, just focus here only now. What can y be here? What can y be? What can y be? यहाँ y में क्या पूछ
Greater
रहे
or
हो?
equal to 0.
Okay, now don't focus on this. पहले खाली इसकी बात करो, उसके बारे में बाद में बात करते हैं. इसका यहाँ पर बताओ. यहाँ पर बताओ. What y can be?
R.
Can I say
R
word?
except minus.
R
Except what? Except what?
No. All.
Ah, then y can be anything. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes.
But you have already mentioned something at the top. What do you mention?
Y has to
Y
be
is
greater than
equal.
But y should be greater than equal to 0. हाँ के नहीं?
Yes,
So
sir.
finally tell me what is the range? What is the range?
Y is greater 0 and infinity.
0 to infinity. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
hope you are getting hang of these sums. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
चलो अच्छी बात है. Very nice. Let's try the next problem also. It is also similar to VV curve only. ठीक है, चलो काम चालू करते हैं. सबसे पहले डोमेन की बात करेंगे. डोमेन की बात करेंगे. शुरुआत कोई मुझे बताएगा ओरली, अगर मुझे कोई डोमेन बता सकता है ओरली, अगर कोई मुझे डोमेन बता सकता है ओरली.
So between negative 3 and 3.
Negative 3 and 3? Why negative 3 and 3? Why not what?
Negative 4 and
Very nice, Arpita. It is between negative 4 and 4. Do you agree?
But if you take 4.
Take 4, what happens? 0.
0.
ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
Numerator है.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
है ना? पक्का?
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो एक्चुअली इसका डोमेन है नेगेटिव 4 to 4. मैं आपको बता रहा हूं मैं, बट तरीका क्या है मैं आपको बता देता हूं. द मेथड. सबसे पहले, इफ समथिंग इज इनसाइड द रूट, कैन इट एवर बी नेगेटिव?
No, sir.
No.
No.
So can I make a statement? 16. Okay, I'll just write it here rather. So I can see here that 16 minus x square can never and ever be negative, which means should be greater than or equal to 0. Do you agree? Do you agree?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Very good. So can I say 16 greater than or equal to x square?
Yes.
So can I say x square less than or equal to 16?
Yes.
So. Can I just say x square minus 16 greater than or equal to 0? अरे shift किया मैंने. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can I say x minus 4 into x plus 4 is less than or equal to 0? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So I'll use a wavy curve here because यहाँ पर inequality दिख रहा है. Is it okay?
Yes.
Equal to 0, 4. Equal to 0 minus 4. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Is it okay? Is it less negative ke positive?
Negative.
So below x-axis, do you agree?
Yes.
So answer is minus 4 to 4. Now tell me, is minus 4 included?
Yes.
Yes.
X can be minus 4 क्योंकि यहाँ पर equal to sign है. Is 4 included?
Yes.
Yeah, included. So this becomes your answer. Does it make sense, kids?
Yes, sir.
ये आपका डोमेन हो गया. ओके तो ये हमारा डोमेन हो जाता है. सिमिलरली किड्स लेट्स गो विद द रेंज नाउ. अगेन हमारा मेथड बदलने वाला नहीं.
How will she go?
चलो ऋषि बल से ऑडियो बंद करो.
Yes, sir.
चलो now range method is y equal to under root of 16 minus x square. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can again at the back of the brain, at the mind, you should write what y cannot be.
Negative.
So y is always greater
Greater
equal to
than
0.
equal to 0.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Again, this is y in terms of x. Let's do x in terms of y. So do squaring both sides. I get x square equal to 16 minus y square. I get x as plus or minus under root of 16 minus y square. Now this is x in terms of y. Now let's have a talk. Now see, somebody would be wondering, sir, why you wrote plus minus here? Array, it's a quadratic, re baba. Do you see the quadratic? Degree 2. Do you see degree 2?
sir. Yes.
That's why I wrote plus minus. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, let's have a talk. जो बंदा रूट के अंदर होता है वो कभी नेगेटिव होगा क्या?
No. No.
So can I say from here, I can say 16 minus y square should be greater than or equal to 0. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
16 greater than or equal to y square. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Y square less than or equal to 16. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So y square minus 16 less than or equal to 0. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Can I do the same thing that we have done it here?
Yes.
So I'll just do it rather for you people. Y minus 4 and y plus 4. And after the wavy curve, you'll get y ka values between what to what? Minus 4 to 4. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now most of the kids will write the range as this. But isn't that wrong? What is missing?
Should be greater than.
Y is greater than 0.
हाँ, इस पे ध्यान देना जरूरी है. तो इसको क्लब करना पड़ता है. बट आपका y तो नेगेटिव हो ही नहीं सकता. इसका मतलब है आपका y का वैल्यू कहां से कहां तक होना चाहिए? भी चलो बता दो.
0 to
0 to 4.
0 to 4. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes.
And this becomes your range. Did you understand? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. आपके डाइजेस्ट में उन्होंने काफी कुछ अलग तरीके से किया, कुछ सम्स तो मैं आपको शेयर कर दूंगा क्योंकि एकदम यूनिक मेथड है. Is it okay?
Yes.
Sir, I didn't understand when you have to put plus or minus and you don't have to put plus or minus.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. Khushi?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, listen, yeah. Khushi, there is a difference between this and this. Do you agree? There's a difference. What difference is there between both of them? This is a linear equation. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
And this is a quadratic equation. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Quadratic has maximum how many values? Quadratic has maximum how many values? Quadratic has maximum how many values?
Sir.
Khushi, tell me.
Yes, sir. I don't know.
Quadratic has, okay, you haven't heard quadratic equations?
I have
तो quadratic के maximum values कितने हो सकते हैं?
2.
अरे वाह, very good. Obviously true, ना? How can it be more than 2? खुशी ने आंसर दिया ना?
हाँ?
खुशी ने ही आंसर दिया ना? 2.
हाँ, yes, sir.
हाँ, तो लीनियर के पास मैक्सिमम 2 वैल्यूज हो सकते हैं.
Quadratic.
सॉरी, स्लिप ऑफ टंग. लीनियर के पास मैक्सिमम 1 वैल्यू हो सकता है. क्वाड्रेटिक के पास मैक्सिमम 2 वैल्यू हो सकता है. क्यूबिकल के पास मैक्सिमम 3 वैल्यू हो सकता है. बाय क्वाड्रेटिक
Okay, yeah, yes, sir. I understood.
understood ना? So
Yes.
it's a quadratic, so it will have maximum 2 values. So it's plus minus under root of 4. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, I
And
understood.
root of 4 will be 2. Accepted?
Yes, sir.
Now you people, in schools, you all used to do gadbad. You all used to write root of 4 as plus minus 2. Arey Baba, root of 4 gives you only 2. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
But so here root of 4 will give you only one value because it's a linear equation. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. तो हम कहाँ थे? हम यहाँ थे. So kids, did you understand this
Sir.
program? कोई और डाउट है किसी को यहाँ पर? Yeah, tell me.
Yes, sir. Can you show the last slide?
Previous one? This one?
Root slide that you were explaining.
अभी मैं जो बता रहा था?
Yes, sir.
Okay, वो 4 और root 4 वाला?
Yes, sir. So, sir, on the right side, if we take square, then it will become x square is equal to 4. So, it will become the same thing.
Very nice, ऋषि. Very nice. ऋषि, आपने क्या किया? उसकी बिरादरी चेंज कर दिया आपने. आपने उसको चेंज कर दिया उसको. आपने उसको कन्वर्ट कर दिया. ये ओरिजिनली लीनियर इक्वेशन है. लीनियर इक्वेशन है ओरिजिनली. आपने क्या किया? स्क्वायरिंग करके आपने क्या कर दिया इसको? क्वाड्रेटिक कर दिया. सर ऐसा कर सकते हैं ना? अरे कर सकते हैं, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है पता है? When you convert linear to quadratic, then extra solution is created. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And what is the extra solution you have created? Now
Two
this
values.
guy will give you 2 values. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
But why this happened, because you did squaring both sides. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So by squaring, you create unwanted solution. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
That's why you have to be very careful. Is it okay when you do squaring?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Linear-
What if we convert quadratic to linear by rooting both sides?
Quadratic को linear कैसे करेंगे हम लोग यहाँ पर?
Rooting on both the sides.
Okay, you are seeing this? आप linear में करोगे उसको?
By rooting,
हाँ, you want to take a root, right?
yes.
If you take a root, I think you should know this is mod x and not just x mathematically.
Okay.
And mod x means x ka how many values will be there? Mod of 2 is 2 and mod of minus 2 is also 2. Do you understand?
Oh, okay.
So some of the people, of course, I will not blame you people, but in when you were in schools, you would blindly write x square, root of x square is x. है ना kids?
Yes.
Right, kids?
sir.
Yes, sir.
But the higher mathematics, the real mathematics says root of x square is not x, it is mod of x. Absolute value. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Understood, na? Daksh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, cool. Okay, चलो हम कहाँ थे? So is this sum clear?
Yes.
Okay. अब और एक सम मैंने स्किप किया था, मैं करके बताता हूं. मैंने जानबूझ के स्किप किया था. अब सुनो ध्यान से. पहले हमें बात करना है डोमेन के बारे में. अगर आपको डोमेन के बारे में बात करना है तो टॉक इनसाइड द रूट. जो बंदा रूट के अंदर है वो कभी नेगेटिव होगा क्या?
No.
No, sir.
Always greater than or equal to 0. Do you agree?
Yes.
So your x minus 2 into 5 minus x should always be greater than or equal to 0. Is it okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I'm going to use vary curve, but for vary curve, your x ka coefficient should be positive. So I'll do one small thing. I'll take minus common. Now I'll multiply both sides by minus sign. Then what will happen?
Sign will change.
Yeah, the inequality will change. Yeah. Now let's use a wavy curve here, here, here. This is 5 and this is
So
2.
I think on the second line you've done some mistake.
Which line? Which line? This line?
Yes, sir. So it has to be 2 minus x.
Oh, I have taken minus common from here, look, Krish.
So from both the way.
No, only from the second guy I took minus sign.
Okay.
ठीक है ना?
Okay.
Understood ना?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ठीक है. Yeah, cool. Okay, let's use the wavy curve again. Zigzag, 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 zig, zag, zig, zag. Is it a negative?
Yes.
So above or below?
Below.
The below part is your answer. So your x belongs to 2 to 5. Now tell me, is 2 included?
Yes.
Yeah, it can be 0. यहाँ पर equal to sign है तो included. Is 5 included?
Yes.
Yeah, 5 put कर सकते 0 होता है तो 5 is included. Is it accepted, kids?
Yes.
Cool, kids. I have got the domain. Now, let me go for the range. Okay, मजा आएगा अब यहाँ देखना आप लोग, ठीक है? Again वही स्टोरी हमारी चलेगी. हम y बोलेंगे इसको. Y is under root of x minus 2 into 5 minus x. Before starting, आपको पता है मैं क्या बोलने वाला हूँ? बोलो मैं क्या बोलूंगा यहाँ पर?
Y is greater than equal to 0.
Smart. Y negative होने वाला नहीं है. Do you agree?
Yes.
Now this is nothing but y in terms of x. I'll make this as x in terms of y. Chalo. So let's do it. This is y square, doing squaring both sides. This is 5 minus x y square. Okay. I'll kids, पहले मैं काम कर लूंगा. मैं यहाँ से minus common निकाल लूंगा. तो यहाँ पर shift कर लेता हूँ. So I'll get x minus 5. Did you understand this step?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm gonna make a quadratic. Complete this. X square minus 5x minus becomes minus 7x plus 10. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
अब किस जगह हम अटक गए हैं? हमारा टास्क क्या है? Our task is to what? Do what?
Y in terms of
X in terms of y. But यहाँ तो फंस गए ना? अरे फंसे नहीं है, हो जाएगा देखो. Do you know how to do completing the whole square?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
X minus. Tell me what I should write.
7 by 2.
7 by 2.
7 by 2. The whole square.
Square.
Minus 7 by 2 का square.
49 by 4.
49 by 4. Very nice. Minus y square. X minus 7 by 2 the whole square. 4 into 10 is 40. 40. This becomes minus 9 by 4. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Shift it here. You get x minus 7 by 2. I'll get 9 by 4 minus y square. Is it okay, kids?
Yes, sir.
Cool. यहाँ पर sorry, whole square, I missed it. Yeah. So I get here x minus 7 by 2 the whole square. Here I'll write 9 minus 4 y square upon 4. Is it okay, kids? Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now I'll take a root. It's a degree 2. So Khushi, I'll write this as plus minus.
Yes.
Very nice. और नीचे 2 लिखूंगा, चलेगा? चलेगा?
Yes.
Yes.
So finally I get x as 7 by 2 plus minus under root of 9 minus 4 y square upon 2. So actually I am getting as x is equal to 7 plus minus under root 9 minus 4 y square upon 2. So see kids, I have done. ये blue वाला part क्या है? क्या पूरा मेहनत किया देखो मैंने. ये आपका y in terms of x और ये आपका क्या है? x in terms of y. Do you see this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now have a talk. Focus on this now. रूट के अंदर जो बंदा वो कभी नेगेटिव हो सकता है क्या?
No.
So आपका 9 minus 4y square हमेशा should be greater than or equal to 0. Do you agree?
Yes.
Sir.
So can I say here 9 should be greater than or equal to 4y square? Do you agree?
Yes.
So can I say y square should be less than or equal to 9 by 4? Do you agree?
Yes.
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 So can I say y square minus 9 by 4 will be less than or equal to 0? Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes.
So y minus 3 by 4 into y plus 3 by 4 should be less than or equal to 0. Do you agree?
Yes.
Can I बोलो मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ? Can I use my what? Wavy curve
Very good.
equal to 0, 3 by 4 equal to 0 minus 3 by 4. Does that make sense?
Sir.
Zigzag, 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 zigzag. Is it less than 0? Is it negative?
Yes.
तो नीचे वाला part, do you agree?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
I did a mistake. Sorry, I did a mistake. 3 by 2 and 3 by 2. है ना kids? ये समझा ना mistake क्या है मेरा? You understood the mistake?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So 3 by 2, 3. Okay, ठीक है. Now, is it less than 0, kids?
Yes.
तो negative है नीचे वाला part. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
तो आपको यहाँ पर y क्या मिल रहा है from here? Y is between minus 3 by 2 to 3 by 2. Equal to sign है तो included. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
But majority of the kids will write this answer. But why this is not the answer?
Because y is greater than
Y
equal
greater
to
than
0.
equal to
Where I'll write. Okay. Are you all able to see? I'm writing the corner, very corner. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But y should be greater than or equal to 0. And so finally, I'm writing it here. So your range should be what?
0, 0.
0 to 3 by 2. Is it okay, kids? Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
तो किड्स आपने देखा होगा रेंज में काफी मेहनत लग गया क्योंकि यहाँ हो क्या गया देखो ये जितने प्रॉब्लम मैंने किए ना किड्स अगर आप ठीक से देखोगे ना किड्स यहाँ पर क्वाड्रेटिक से तो कंप्लीट द होल स्क्वायर किया मैंने ओके उसके बाद वही है y इन टर्म्स ऑफ x देन x इन टर्म्स ऑफ y वही सब मैंने किया फिर वार्तालाप करना पड़ता है ओके एवरीवेयर आई डिड दिस द सेम थिंग हियर ओनली in this sum I got a quadratic na sorry which sum I got a quadratic yeah in this sum I got a quadratic so again I did completing the whole square is it okay kids
Yes, sir.
and then I got it. Of course, it's a very big sum, you know. और of course कुछ बच्चे मुझे पूछेंगे सर एग्जाम में ऐसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं क्या नहीं आते थे लेकिन लास्ट ईयर केसी के एग्जाम में आया था तो ऐसा है ठीक है बट ठीक है इट्स ओके एटलीस्ट यू शुड नो इनइक्वालिटीज थोड़ा बहुत इनइक्वालिटीज आना चाहिए आपको एमसीक्यूज में काम आएगा फिजिक्स में थोड़ा बहुत वेवी कर्व भी आ गया तो बहुत ही अच्छा है फटाफट प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाता है क्योंकि अगर वेवी कर्व आपको नहीं आएगा तो फिर बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है सॉल्व करना कैन आई गो अहेड कैन आई गो अहेड
Yes, sir.
देखो अगर किसी बच्चे को अगर वेवी कर्व नहीं आता होगा ना तो बच्चा पता है वो बेवकूफी करते बैठेगा कैसे पता है फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू नो इसके पास ये साइन होगा तो सीधा इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देगा उसको और ही विल गेट x एज लेस देन 3 जो गलत है दैट्स आपको जो होते ना न्यूसेंसेस ऑफ योर मैथमेटिक्स कहाँ पर छोटी छोटी जगह पे है वो पता होना चाहिए आपको इज इट ओके किड्स
Yes, sir.
ओके सो आई जस्ट टेक सम मोर सम्स अगेन थोड़े थोड़े सम्स है वो खत्म कर लेते हैं तो आई थिंक फिर हम स्टॉप कर लेंगे ओके ओके अब ये ना सब बचकाने प्रॉब्लम्स हैं रीड करो ये प्रॉब्लम के कहने भी लायक नहीं है क्या लिखा है एक्सप्रेस द एरिया 1 minute okay kids look at this what they're saying read it what they're saying area of a square a is the what is express the area of a square as a function of its sides it is obviously na function of side what is the area of a square
Side square. Side square.
तो हो गया ना function of its side a as a function of s do you understand ये फंक्शन हो जाता है अरे फंक्शन मतलब खाली एफ ऑफ एक्स नहीं होता है रे बाबा ये भी एक फंक्शन ऑफ एस है हाँ के नहीं इन टर्म्स ऑफ एस इज इट ओके
Yes,
Yes, sir.
तो फंक्शन कैन बी इन टर्म्स ऑफ एनी अल्फाबेट ओके व्हाट इज सेकंड पार्ट एरिया इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ व्हाट
Meter.
perimeter now before I go ahead tell me what is the perimeter of a square
4 into side.
4 into side is it okay So can I say the side will be P by 4? Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now let's do it. Area of a square is side square, and I can write side as P by 4. So I get the answer as P square by 16. Is it okay? So
Yes,
area
sir.
is a function of a perimeter. Is it okay?
Oh,
Yes.
देखो कितना बचकाना प्रॉब्लम्स है. Can you do this also? Area is a function of a radius. Pi r square. हो गया ना?
Yes, sir.
So area, it will be pi r square, the first part. Diameter. Now, what is diameter equal to 2r? Is it okay?
Yes.
So I can write r as
D by 2.
d by 2. So I get a as pi r square. That is d by 2 ka square. So I get this as pi d square by 4. Is it okay, kids?
Yes, sir.
Next. What is the circumference of a circle?
2 pi.
2 pi r. So I can write r as 2 by pi. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Just plug in, you'll get it. Is it okay?
Yes.
कितने इजी है ना. और वो डोमेन रेंज एक्चुअली हाई डोज है, वो हैवी डोज सम्स है वो. ओके चलो ठीक है. एक वर्ड प्रॉब्लम है, देखते हैं क्या है वो. रीड करते हैं, आप पढ़ो क्या लिखा है. An open box is made from a square of a cardboard of side 30 centimeter side. By cutting squares of length x centimeters from each corner and folding the sides up. आपने मिठाई का डब्बा कभी देखा है क्या? मिठाई का डब्बा
Yes, sir.
तो पता है कभी मिठाई का डब्बा कैसे बनता है? If you see, you know, what they do basically in मिठाई का डब्बा. Suppose you have a square board. So what can you do? And here the square board is of side how much? How much?
30 centimeter.
30 centimeters side. It is of 30 centimeters side. और यहां हो क्या रहा है? What is happening? हम कट कर रहे हैं. क्या कट कर रहे हैं? Square of side x centimeter. Isn't that true, kids?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I'm cutting the square of side x centimeters. So this is x and x, huh, kids? Remember, this is x and x. तो ये भी x है, ये भी x है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली तो जो डब्बा बनेगा उस डब्बे का साइड ये हो जाएगा. डू यू एग्री?
Yes, sir.
I mean to say,
Yes, sir.
I'll write it आगे राधा. एक मिनट. हम मिठाई का डब्बा बना रहे, ठीक है? So that डब्बा का base will be somewhere here. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And इसको हम लोग फोल्ड करके ऊपर करेंगे तो मिठाई का डब्बा बन जाएगा. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So the height of the मिठाई का डब्बा will be x centimeter. Do you agree?
Yes.
Sir.
So I can say now, kids, here this will be 30 minus 2x. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Because this is x and this is x, so this will be 30 minus 2x. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now let's read it what they say. Express the volume of the box as a function of x. First of all, tell me, do you remember what is the volume of a box? What is the volume of this? What? Tell me the answer.
Length into breadth into height.
It's an area of base. Can I say it's a square? So it's an area of base
Into
To
height.
height.
into height. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
So tell me what is the area of the base? Base is a square. So what is the area?
S square.
Yes, 2x the whole.
30 minus 2x the whole square. Is it okay?
Yes.
And what is the height of the box?
X.
X.
Pakka na?
Yes.
sir.
So this is nothing but the volume. What else they are asking? They are asking us also find the domain. They are asking us also find the domain. ये डोमेन का मतलब क्या होता है?
values of x.
Values of x.
अब चलो थोड़ा सोचते हैं, पहली बात, कैन x बी नेगेटिव?
No.
कैन हाइट बी नेगेटिव?
No.
So height should be greater than or equal to 0. In fact, greater than 0 rather. 0 का तो एकदम पतला हो जाएगा ना, डब्बा नहीं दिखेगा, है ना?
Yes, sir.
है ना? प्रैक्टिकलिटी देखनी है हम लोग को. तो आपका x जो है 0 नहीं हो सकता, 0 से ज्यादा होना चाहिए. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And what else? आपका जो base है, base of the डब्बा, it cannot be negative. Do you agree?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So it has to be greater than 0. Even not equal to 0 भी नहीं चलेगा. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I got from here x should be greater than 0, and from here 30 should be greater than 2x. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
So I can say divided by 2, I get 15 greater than x. Is it okay?
Yes.
So what I get here, x greater than 0, but x should be less than 15. हाँ कि नहीं?
Yes.
Yes.
What is the final answer? What is the domain? Tell me.
15.
Yeah. So your x belongs to 0 to 15. Is it accepted?
Yes.
चलो अच्छी बात है. ओके यहाँ पर ना एक प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक है एक्चुअली. ये जो है ना यहाँ
Sir,
का
if we
नहीं है.
take 15,
Yeah, what happened?
if we take 15, then the box will have 30 centimeters. So 15 from each side the box. We cannot make the box only.
यहाँ बॉक्स ही नहीं बनेगा ना फिर तो. If I take 15, what will happen if I take 15? What will happen? This will become 0 ना?
So,
Yes.
So डब्बा गायब हो जाएगा पूरा. हाँ कि नहीं? ऋषि चौवाटिया, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
चलो अच्छी बात है. वेरी नाइस. ओके, अभी किड्स आगे का जो प्रॉब्लम है ना वो हम अभी नेक्स्ट टाइम देखने वाले हैं. इट इज अबाउट 1-to-1 into onto 1-to-1. Do you remember in the last class I spoke about 1-to-1, many-to-1, 1-to-onto, into, subjective, bijective? सुना है क्या?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आपको एक काम करना पड़ेगा अभी. ओके, आज के लिए इतना ही है. अगली बार जब सेशन में आओगे ना वो सेशन रिवाइज करके आना. इज इट ओके?
yes, sir.
लास्ट पार्ट, इज इट ओके?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो आई जस्ट ब्रेक इट. नेक्स्ट सेशन प्लीज मिस मत करना, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट सेशन में आपको लॉगरिथम सिखाने वाला हूं मैं. और लॉगरिथम आपको फिजिक्स में भी और केमिस्ट्री में भी काम आने वाला है, लॉ के कॉन्सेप्ट्स. इज इट ओके? तो आप मिस मत करना. इज इट ओके किड्स?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
चलो ठीक है, एक मिनट. आई जस्ट स्टॉप द रिकॉर्डिंग.